And here the category I will define as footwear. So another product here, suppose some another product, some Lee Cooper boot, something like this. Okay. And shoe1.jpg, this also footwear. Okay. So this is some data. We are having some data. The product related more details can be there. I'm just using the product name and photo and category. These are the details of the product need to be displayed. Okay, now here I'm designing the presentation. In the presentation, I'm just adding a div and a class as container, and here div, so class as a row, and a div class as call 3 3 enough, right? Yeah. And div and class as call 9. Okay. Now in this left side, so here we are dealing with the data. Right side we are dealing with data, and to present data I will use any presentation style here. So for the product, so suppose say div class as card deck, and div class as card, and this should repeat ngFor let item of the collection is products, and the div class as card body. Okay. And here I'm just adding some details. Image. So img src, it is coming from, yeah, item dot photo, and here I will put a class here as a card image overlay. Okay, card image overlay, I defined it. Okay, in the card body, just I will keep the name, product item dot name. That's it. So we have only these details defined. We are iterating we are iterating every product there. Then it is going to display every product in this way, right? All the products information is configured in this way. So height, width, and all these options overlay, card image, I'll say top. Okay, because I kept it at the top. Fine. So these are the images and the body section. So here we will use img fluid. So some fluid width and height we will keep it. Okay. So this is image, and we are having some item here. Card, yeah. Heading, item name. So we are displaying those product details also. Here we are adding those product details here. Right. Now important here at the top, I will keep an heading. So some Amazon shopping, something like this. Now left side, here in the left side, so I'm just adding a simple header. So, and say select category, or say search products. Okay, search products is the header we are having. Okay, this we will keep class text primary. Okay, and text center. Fine. That is here. Fine. Now select products. I'm using a drop down here. So I'm using a drop down here. Select and we have an option, and option select product. So class as form control. Here we are defining, so option like all. We are displaying an option like electronics, and here we are defining an option like footwear, and usually it is displaying all these details. And our intention is, when I select electronics or footwear, only those details should come and display right side. That means only those details I need to display here. So we are choosing the categories. Only that category related products should come. I say all, then all should come. So first point is how we can access what they have selected inside this drop down. For that, what we are doing here is we are creating a simple property called selected category name. So that is, initially I will apply all. Okay. This selected category name is attached to this drop down. So by using a two-way binding technique, ng model is equal to selected category name. That means whatever the category they are selecting, now it is here. It is here. For implementing all and all, we have to manage so many points. We will see that. Now here currently, we are doing an iteration for the card. This card is repeating. And important is, this card is repeating for every product. So the point here is, it should repeat for every product. That's okay. But it should not repeat for all the products. It should repeat only the products whose product name is starting, whose product category is the same. The product category is the same what you have selected in the drop down. That means in the drop down, which product category you have selected, that product category related products must be displayed here. That means we need to handle a condition for this card, and a container for this one. Now what I am doing here, I am removing this, and I am adding it. Into a container. We will add into a container. Let's see how we can add into a container. So I will enclose this card, and important, our presentation should not disturb. And I will enclose this card into ng container. In the ng container, so we are adding this logic, and this container so is using the iterator. It is using the iterator as ngFor. So let item of collection is products, and ng container is displaying this card. So you can see the presentation in the output have no difference. It is presentation not disturbed. Because suppose if I use another div here, then my card placements will affect. The alignment will